How did we do, y'all? It is me, Carlos Federico Gutierrez. Today I'm going to be cooking for you a vegan burger. I will be putting cheese on it because I am in the mood of cheese, but it is easily adaptable. Just take out cheese or whatever else you put on a burger. But we are using the Beyond Meat patties. Got these at Costco, an 8-pack for $14.99, I believe. We'll also be using, on the burger, we'll be using a sesame bun, just regular, made with wheat soy, tomato, red onion, lettuce, and sauces. We will be doing the Stone Imperial Russian Stout, Pasilla pepper barbecue sauce. As you can see, I'm a very big fan of it. I've posted it on my Instagram before. And we will be using guacamole. I unfortunately am lazy to make guacamole right now, but we did buy these little packs. It comes in a 12-pack of organic chunky guacamole. I do approve of it. And as for cheese, we will be using Swiss cheese, Jarlsberg Light. So reduced fat, lactose free, because I am lactose intolerant, unfortunately. Anyway, we are going to be getting on with the show. I will be cooking the patties a little bit. Shouldn't take more than about like 10 minutes to actually cook them from frozen. So, and then let me cut the tomato real quick. So you can see with my paring knife, nice. You can see I really am bad at cutting tomato, but yeah, even a number of tomato slices this time, unlike the last video where we had 3. But yeah, romaine lettuce, red onion, cut the onion a little bit. So there is a saying about cutting onions, for those of you who cry, is you cut the onion in half and put the other half on your head. So then now we're gonna start cutting the onion in slices. Alright, kind of bad, but I do like onion squares. And as you can see, no tears in my eyes because my heart has been broken. It's a joke, but the reference it's from a movie called Como Agua para Chocolate, so it's like water for chocolate, as in hot chocolate. But yeah, let's start cooking these patties. Alright, so now we are outside cooking, we're gonna start cooking. We use the extra virgin olive oil, same as the last video, just kind of gonna dazzle it all over. Not all over, but kind of a little generous like that. And then we're gonna throw an onion out on there. Try to separate that as much as possible. I do like my onion with the skin, which has more flavorful thing. And you're gonna bust these babies open. So as you can see, paring knife. And we are going to just put them on like you would any other burger patty. And now to wait a while, as you can see, you're just kind of pressing things a little bit with the handy spatula. My parents are cooking something there, but that is not important because this is the most important thing in the world right now for you. But you can see it's just barely starting to kind of thaw out. I did have it kind of on medium-high heat on this kind of like outdoor grill stove type thing. So there's grills over there. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna see that little bubbling thing. It is kind of natural with these things, with these Beyond Meat, but it doesn't affect the flavor whatsoever. But see, flip these patties over, easy. Probably a little too early, but you can see what I like about cooking on this little Camp Chef thing is it leaves those natural grill lines. So check back with you in a few minutes.
I woke up, threw put some sweatpants on, then I fed my cat, and then I walked to the mini mart. And I really want a donut, shouldn't get a donut, buy a donut, fucking
You can see slowly but surely it is taking its time. We're in no big rush, as you can see by my frozen face and my grumbling belly. Food takes its time, but that's okay. It's going to be delicious. I am making this a double patty, so and eventually in a bit we will be kind of toasting this on the little camshaft grill thing alongside the cheese. Alright, flip the patty for a second time. Oh, you see that? A little browner now, not as pink. Lines are a little bit more defined. But right. Oh, want to run away? Ah, you see that? Beautiful. Beautiful brown. I'm gonna toil around with the onion a little bit. Kind of let it do its thing. Onion skin. And alright, so now we are going to start kind of toasting the bread. I'm not going to use a toaster because sometimes I'm lazy. So let's just throw this on here. A little spongy side in. Let that in. And while we're at it, we are going to use the cheese. And just kind of put it. I'm a really big fan of cheese, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to put a slice of cheese on each patty. Kind of let it melt. There you go. Kind of throw that son of a bee on there. And let's throw this one on there too. See that? Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, and see that? Nice. Oh, shoot. Almost said the S word. There you go. Alright. And let's go to the next clip where I'm putting this together. Okay, so now we are going to start preparing. As you can see, we have the Tiger King buns right here. And I like to put guacamole on my burgers, on the bottom bun, just makes it more good. So I'm just going to spread that here on the bottom. As so, whether or not you like guacamole, that's up to you. I just like it nice. That's a nice texture to it. And then on the other side, we're going to start putting the Stone barbecue. So please Stone sponsor me or send me barbecue sauce, please. I'm a really big fan. Toured your San Marcos plant. Was fascinated. Anyway, there we go. Nice, something a little generous. Spread it. Yes, I am using the same knife. Because either way it's going to mix up. What I do like about this barbecue is that it is nice, very subtle. And I'm going to start putting the onion right there. Doesn't look the most appetizing, but it does add a nice flavor to it. On the other side, I'm going to start putting the lettuce, or on the same side, put the lettuce, tomatoes. Oh, got a little runaway. You gotta put the tomato right there. Tomatoes, however you say it. Then I'm gonna start putting the two patties, as you can see, double patty. There is a little bit of onion that I did not take care of, but that is okay, because now we are going to stuff it, or stack it. You can see the tomato fell. It's okay, I'll just eat that. Really good. Really good. The burger's falling apart, but you can see it's really good. Or it looks really good. I'm gonna try it right here. Alright, the burger looks really good. So yeah, I'll do a live taste reaction for you. So make sure I'm getting a bite of everything right then and there. First reaction. So yeah. That is a nice balance, ladies and gentlemen. I know I have barbecue on my side, looking like the Joker or whatever, but with the sauce, the guacamole, grilled onion, lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and Beyond Meat burgers. I look ridiculous, don't I? This is honestly a great burger. Shout out to my little sister for helping me record this video and the last video. I don't know whether or not she wants me to put her Instagram, Twitter in the link below, or in the bio, or description below. But that is it for today's video, or I guess what you would pair this with would be a nice, delicious beer, or soda, or water, milk maybe. That makes no sense unless you live in Wisconsin. It's a joke. But anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want me to review, eat, cook. Down in the comments below. And feel free to check out my social media. Mostly just my Instagram, because my Twitter is, I'm not very active on Twitter. But anyway, thank you for watching, and have a good day, stay safe, and